Baby, you looking so beautiful this morning. My goodness, folks. Look at this beautiful girl over here cooking the baby some breakfast. What you got cooking, baby? Huh?
Hey.
What you cooking in, baby? What's the name of that skillet?
Butter. Butter.
What?
Butter. I put a bread. Ay, kabubo.
Yeah, it's yummy. Mama, Fatima too.
Oh, I just finished this all, huh?
Go ahead, baby. Your beauty's being showcased. Like on The Price is Right. Which showcase do you want?
No, I'm so haggard eh.
Showcasing your beauty.
Oh my god, what's the beauty of the Haggard?
Folks, y'all see the stress I'm under? I want y'all to just see the stress I'm under here. Wake up in the morning, this old haggard woman right here. Remember that old skit on Hee Haw? Where the old lady's ironing, you know? Got her hair up in curlers or whatever. The old dude sitting there at the dinner table complaining about her food. It's on Hee Haw. Sometimes that's my life. That's how I feel. Got this old woman just does nothing but complain. Stresses me out. I'm sitting there after a hard day's work trying to eat my meal. And she done laid down some slop on me. Now this morning she's cooking good. Eggs, toast, all that good stuff. And most of the time she try to put this, you know, canned meatloaf, sardines. That'll work. Whoop.
I'm
Whoop.
catching up, Mommy. It's yummy.
Baby, that's my breakfast. You eating my breakfast again, baby.